Are you looking for a way to delete Instagram watch history for more privacy or to get better content recommendations? If yes, this video is for you. I will show you how easily you can delete watch history on Instagram. One thing to keep in mind, this option isn't available if you are using Instagram Lite. To start, open the Instagram app on your phone. Once it opens, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Tap the three lines at the top right corner to open the menu. Then tap on your activity. Now scroll down to find watch history and then tap on it. If you don't see watch history option, make sure to update your Instagram app. Here you'll find all the reels you have watched in the last 30 days. To remove any of them, tap select in the top right corner, choose the reels you want to delete and then tap on remove at the bottom. Confirm your choice and that's it. Those reels are now cleared from your watch history. And that's how you delete your Instagram Reels watch history. If this video helped you, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more such useful tech tips and tricks.